Namaste. My name is Sri Lakshmi and I will be teaching yoga for you. Do you heard about yoga before? Actually, what is yoga? Yes, tell me. Actually, yoga is a fun game which blends our entire body, mind, breath as well as the thoughts. After the practice of yoga, you become so powerful and intelligent, and you will become the topmost in your class, and you will excel in every activities. Everyone will call you as a super kid. So let us start the practice. For the yoga session to get started, you require a yoga mat. Otherwise, there's a chance of getting slipped, and also you have to wear a loose apparel. Before the practice, we have to offer the salutation to the God. For that, sit erect. Your head, neck as well as the torso should be in one line. Then take your palm close to each other parallel to your chest. This is Anjali Mudra, and give the offering with a slight bowing. Hand stretch pattern. For that, come to the middle of your mat. Your feet close to each other, your palm beside your body. First, interlock your fingers and upon the chest. This is one with the inhalation. And for the two, exhale, turn and twist out. That is two. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next is incline pattern. For that, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next is vertical or above your head. That is 1 and 2 above your head. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next is swinging pattern. Here it is 1. Then 2. Again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And after that, you can come to the normal position. Release your palms and get ready for the relaxation. Your feet apart, closed eyes, shoulder collapsed, and normal breath. Be in the relaxation for a few seconds. Gently open your eyes with a few blinks. Then come to center of mat, your feet close to each other, and from there onto your knees. Slowly come over to the knees. After that, sit on your heels. Sit very comfortably with your spine erect. That is, your head, neck as well as the torso should be in one line. Your palm lying on your thighs. Gently close your eyes. Try to smile a bit. This is Vajrasana. Gently open your eyes with a few blinks. Next is the Shashankasana pattern. For that, you have to take your palm above your head. This is 1 and this is 2. Come forward and try to bring your head on the ground. And this is 1 and 2. One 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 and 2. Rest for a few seconds while in Shashankasana. Gently get up and open your eyes. Then you can release your right leg first, then to the left leg, and you can incline back. From there, slowly get into Shavasana, that is, lie on your back. Slowly you are getting into the Shavasana, the relaxation posture. Lie on your back. Your feet should be apart. Palms should not be beside your body. Keep your palm away from your body. Your palm facing the roof. Close your eyes. Bring a nice smile on your face. Imagine that you are lying in a rosy garden. You can feel the nice aroma around you. You can hear the birds chirping. Slowly and gently, you are getting into a peaceful sleep. Gently, you are getting into a very peaceful sleep. Relax completely. Gently come to the sthiti, your feet close to each other, palm beside your body, and open your eyes. Raise your right palm above your head and turn to right hand side slowly. Make your body stable. From there, gently turn on to sitting posture. And you can retrieve. How's the session? Hope everyone has enjoyed. You can practice yoga every day morning before the breakfast. And apart from that, you should drink plenty of water and eat healthy food. We can soon meet again. Until then, take care, be safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.